Hello there, guys, and hello this guy here.
What's up, dudes?
So, figure it's a good time to take a look at the car from the outside. We're at some library, and take a good look at the outside of the car. I've never really wanted to film the video at my house because, you know, people are, hey, what's that guy doing? But yeah, outside of the car. Looks, that's what I'm trying to do, buddy. As you can see, when I first got the car, it had had some weird hubcaps on it that looked like they were bought from Walmart. Threw those away. We're flying the Steelies now.
Hell yeah.
They look pretty good. So this is a family-friendly video. We don't talk about that here.
We don't talk about hose?
Oh my God.
What kind of YouTube channel is this?
Sir, I do not do gardening tools on my channel. Anyway, yeah, Steely wheels. Opportune tires because, well, they told me they are basically Sumitomos, but they were cheaper and I could buy the warranty on them. So basically, if I do anything to screw these tires up, they'll cover them no matter what. And
does the job.
Door handles are functional. And actually, I will show you, just going in here. Door handles are functional. See, we've got the old floor mat from the Mazda, because Praise the Fallen. Interior, all that wonderful stuff. Sadly, our headliners kind of leaves a lot to be desired here. And yes, because he's in our presence, the visors do in fact work on this car.
Kindly kill yourself, please.
Shut up. So, not a lot to see on the exterior. We got a bit of a traded paint with another car at some point. Wasn't me, that was before I bought the car.
It's pretty good from the back here, though.
Yeah, if you look at it from the back. I got the grill here that I polished up and it looks a lot nicer. It was at one point very dingy plastic. It's looking a lot better now. Over here we got the headlights. These were looking pretty bad too, but I also polished them off. Looking pretty clean. And down here we've got more damage. Very minor though. And our missing fog light covers, which, you know, I plan on fixing that soon enough, but when the money allows. So, coming around here, more tires, more stuff. I did polish this trim here. Looks kind of nice. Looks like it wasn't left in the sun all its life like it was. Then on the back, we got our signature Camry dent here that was pulled. And yeah, that guy did it. And then we did a little modification here. Well, I did this modification. I took off the logos and made them black to contrast with the silver. You can kind of see where the old logo was here. I'm trying to get that off.
We can still scrape this off.
We can scrape it out off.
It's going to take some determination.
Yeah, which is why I haven't done it. And I got the Corolla logo from my 9th generation and put it on here. It looks kind of nice, but I need to re-adhere that part to it.
Oh, I see.
So yeah, pretty much that's the outside of the car, and let's go ahead and start her on up. And as you can see, door handle does in fact work, and my visors do in fact work. Let's go ahead and start this guy up.
My visors work now too. I just had to fix it.
Yeah, how much did you have to pay for that though?
Like 50 bucks.
There you go. And I've shown off the mileage. And there you go.
Needs more rice.
Shut up.
We're about to go rice my car later.
Shut up. Power that off. Got our head unit and everything. I know I showed this off in the previous video, but you know, one more time for the sake of it. And apparently some girls are getting picked up. Anyway, so with that said, let's have a look under the hood. So now we're in the engine bay, of course, and you can see some of the work I've done in here. I actually, sorry for the wind, cleaned off the air box, the fuse boxes and everything. I polished it with the same polish I used down here.
I wonder if there's a way we can tighten this.
I've tried that. It doesn't work. Like, it's just loose like that. It's really... As long as this is tight, though, I think that's all that matters.
Well, that's why the gas pedal has a little
this is tight though, because this goes to the gas pedal.
This is just, well, you see, like once you pull this out, I think this just needs like lubed or something, because it doesn't go back in by itself even though it's supposed to. You just push it back in.
I think that's just slack though.
Yeah, that's your throttle cable, but still, that's why it feels loose, you know.
Well, this doesn't pull because it doesn't go that direction. Like, to accept, this is the gas pedal.
Well, yeah, it actually does pull, because you know this goes this way and then it pulls on this, and then that doesn't go back in, and that's why your throttle cable feels loose.
Yeah, because that's supposed to keep tension on it.
Yeah, exactly.
Freaking hell, it's weird.
But whatever, it's
It
not a
works.
big deal.
But yeah, this is the good old 1ZZ engine here, and
Yes, one's easy.
shut up. But I mean, it works, and this
Wow,
one,
look how thick that is.
this one has yet to consume any oil, thankfully. I mean, it's
What is
almost.
this, roast Ryan?
I'm not even. Yeah. This
just
engine
kidding.
is known for consuming oil. You know that.
Good job on cleaning just this part.
Shut up, dude. Anyway, has yet to consume any oil, which is nice, awesome. The battery was just replaced not that long ago, actually.
Oops.
Did you just rub off?
Yeah. It said 690, so you're good.
Who cares about the cold cranking amps? This car doesn't require much to start. But as you can see, our brake fluid is very clear. And our power steering fluid's pretty good too. We're not leaking any of that just yet.
You got some friends living in here?
Friends, how?
Like spider webs and shit.
Yeah, that's known.
Need to clean that out.
And this is all dusty. This car's been sitting for a while, so you know, it's kind of it. Just did the transmission fluid and the oil like a couple days ago, so that's all good too. And hey, unlike my old car, this cover is still here. Not that it has anything to really short out against up here, but it's not sad. So do you want to do me a favor and start the car while we're in here? You don't have to speed racing. Yeah, it sounds like a 47,000 mile 1GT. I think that's all we really have to say about this one. I mean, it's a Toyota Corolla.
About it.
About it.
Just stand back and get an overall shot in the video. That's what I usually do.
Yeah, it's a Corolla.
The Corolla.
And the lights, of course, are always on, no matter what.
No, they're not.
They're not on? What the hell?
I think
Interesting.
it's only like once you start moving.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. That's it for you.
Yeah, boy.
It's a Corolla. It's just a Corolla. This isn't a playthrough, walkthrough, anything like that.
Toyota Corolla.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll see you later.